I have been in the hair industry for many, many years, and one of the most exciting and rewarding things for me to do is to service clients that suffer from hair loss. I enjoy this, and they always love the outcome. Here I am just placing my tracks after shampooing, conditioning, oiling the scalp, and treating the scalp. And then I also just press my tracks out, and then I start laying them. She wanted a 27-piece weave, but I suggested to her to get the 246 and also the 468 hair from Tyra Velvet because I can work with it better. It's longer and I can cut it better. It just lays way more flatter. I just can work with it better. And here I am starting to razor cut it because I want a very flat, natural look. She showed me a picture of a what I call a mini mohawk. However, the picture that she showed me was the girl's natural hair. She had a relaxer and she had it cut and designed like this. So, because my client suffers with alopecia, I decided to do this on with a weave. And so it's a little bit thicker than the original picture that she showed me, but it came out beautifully.